Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify this expression here on the board correctly. I put down here solution. We have 60 minus 4 divided by 2 into 5 minus 1. Here, some persons will choose to simplify this way. 60 minus 4, that gives 56 divided by 2 into 5 minus 1. Then again, 56 divided by 2 gives 28 into 5 minus 1. Then again, here have 28 into 5 minus 1, that gives 4. Then this implies 28 times 4, which gives 112. But this is wrong approach. Now, to solve this correctly, we are going to apply what is called PEDMAS. We have the question here, 60 minus 4 divided by 2 into 5 minus 1. Then here, to apply this, we have here parentheses first, which is the bracket. That means you're going to bracket first. Then, after we don't have exponent here, after that we consider multiplication here, and division, addition, and subtraction. Then now, in this case, we are going to have here 60 minus 4 divided by 2. First, we treat the brackets. 5 minus 1, that gives us 4. Multiplications, we multiply this by 4. When we have done with parentheses, now the next step is for us to consider, we have here multiplication and addition, but multiplication and addition have the same order. But here we are going to consider move our simplification from left to the right. Even though multiplication comes first, we are going to treat division first, consider this rule from left to right. Then in that case, we are going to have here 60 minus 4 divided by 2, that will give us 2, then multiply by 4. Then in this case, we consider multiplication now. We have a 60 minus 2 multiplied by 4, that will give us 2 multiplied by 4, that gives us 8. Then lastly, we consider subtraction. Here we have 60 minus 8, that will give us 52. And this is the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.